Welcome students. Today let us start with practice set 35 of chapter number 8, multiply. Previous two exercises we have seen about addition of algebraic expressions, how to add, then subtraction we have seen. Now let's see about multiplying the given terms, or you can say algebraic expressions. It is 16xy multiply 18xy. First what you do children, multiply the numbers. So 16 into 18, these numbers you take multiply, and then these alphabets you can take into xy. There is a multiplication sign only, x into y. First multiply the numbers, then we'll multiply x into y, alphabets later on. So 16 into 18 is how much? 8 6 is 48, 8 1 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, 1 6 is 6, 1 1 is 1, 8 8 288. So the number we got it after multiplying is 288. X, this together you take first. X into x will be x square. In multiply the power we are adding, so this is x into x will be x square, and y into y will become y square. So our answer will be 288 x square y square. X into x will become x square, y into y will get y square. See the second sum, 23xy square multiply 4yz square. So first take the numbers for multiplication. So numbers are 23 into 4. Into this alphabets we'll put it last, x into y square into y into this z square. Alphabets means these all variables at last. So first multiply the numbers. 23 into 4 is how much? 4 3 is 12, 4 2 is 8, and 1 9, 92. X into y square. X is alone, no x term is there, so x will put as it is. Y square into y, here no above the power is 1, nothing is means, so y 3 will become, so y 3, y cube, and z square as it is because it is only one term, z square. So 92x y cube z square. So this is your answer. See the third one is little different. This 12a plus 17b into 4c, this binomial multiply monomial. So what you have to do, this 12a, this 4c will multiply with 12a also, and this 4c will multiply with 17b also. So 12a into 4c plus 17b into 4c. So you'll get two terms like this. This 4c will be multiplied with both these terms inside the bracket. 12a into 4c plus in sign 17b into 4c. Now first as usual multiply the numbers. 12 into 4 into these alphabets means variables a into c, plus here the numbers are 17 into 4 into alphabets are variables are b into c. So multiply the numbers. 12 4 is how much? 48. A into c is ac, together you have to write, plus 17 4 is how much? 68. B into c means bc, together you have to write. So this is your answer, 48 ac plus 68 bc. This again two brackets multiplication, binomial multiply by binomial. Again little different. 4x plus 5y, 9x plus 7y multiplying. First we will multiply 4x with this whole bracket, then again 5y will be again multiplied with this whole bracket. So this is our first step. 4x multiply 9x plus 7y plus 5y multiply again this whole bracket, 9x plus 7y. This is your first step. Now 4x multiply by 9x, 4x multiply by 7y. Again here also 5y into 9x, 5y into 7y. So 4 terms we will get. Multiply the numbers first. 4 into 9 into x plus 4 into 7 into x into y plus 5 into 9 into y into x plus 5 into 7 into y into y. Multiply the numbers. 4 9s is 36. X into x will become x square plus 4 7s is 28. X into y is xy plus 5 9s is 45. X into y, first take x then y because x comes first, y comes later, plus 5 7s is 35. Y into y is y square. So this is our final answer. Even you can do one more step. 36x square plus these two are like terms, so you can add them. 28 and 45, we add them. Xy they are like terms we are adding. So 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 1 carry 4 5 6 73xy plus 35y square. This one more step will become, because these two are like terms in between, so we are adding the like terms. So our answer is 36x square plus 73xy plus 35y square. Now one more sum is there in word problem form, very easy. Question number 2. A rectangle is 8x plus 5 centimeter long and 5x plus 3 centimeter broad. Find its area. You all know the rectangle. This one is a length, this one is the smaller one is a breadth. Length they have given me 8x plus 5 centimeter and breadth they have given me how much, 5x plus 3 centimeter. They are asking the finding the area of this rectangle. So area of rectangle formula we have already learnt in lower classes. Area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. So we'll use that formula and we'll find out the area. So first write down what is given to you. Length of rectangle, how much it is? Length of rectangle is given to you 8x plus 5 centimeter. Long means length and broad means breadth. So breadth is given. Breadth of rectangle is equals to 5x plus 3 centimeter. We have to find out what area of rectangle. So area of rectangle is equals to question mark. Now finding the area of rectangle, we know the formula. So write the formula next step. Area of rectangle is equals to length multiplied by breadth. This is the formula. Length is given how much, 8x plus 5. So write there 8x plus 5 into breadth is given 5x plus 3. Now this sum we have already done in the fourth one. How to multiply two brackets binomial, two terms. First 8x you will multiply with this whole bracket, 5x plus 3 plus again this 5 you will multiply with this whole bracket. First step is clear. Second step, this 8x will be multiplied with this whole inside 2. This 5 will be multiplied with whole this 2. So 8x into 5x plus 8x into 3. 8x into 3 plus 5 into 5x plus 5 into 3. We'll get 4 terms. Multiply the numbers first. 8 5 is 40. X into x I told you. In multiply it will become x square plus 8 3s are multiply numbers. 8 3s is 24. Here x is alone, so put x as it is, plus 5 5 is 25, x as it is because only one x, plus 5 3s is 15 number. 5 3s is 15. And between check there is like term xx, so add this 40x square plus 24 plus 25 is 49x plus 15. So this is your area. So what is the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is equals to 40x square plus 49x plus 15 centimeter square. This is area's unit is centimeter square. So this is our final answer. So here we have completed our practice set number 35. In the next part we will see the last practice set 36 in the next part.